Gamers have been waiting for this showdown, and in 2025 it's finally here. The PlayStation 5 Pro versus the Xbox Series X II. And the big question is which console actually gives you the better gaming experience. So let's break it down in a way that's simple and honest. Starting with design, because Sony has gone for a sleek upgrade with the PS5 Pro. A slimmer but more powerful machine that looks like the future of gaming. While Microsoft's Xbox Series X II doubles down on its minimalist box design but adds subtle curves and improved cooling so it runs quieter. And for many gamers that actually matters more than looks. Now moving to raw performance, the PS5 Pro promises 8K gaming support, faster frame rates, and an improved ray tracing engine. And early gameplay demos show smoother visuals with fewer frame drops, especially in high-intensity titles like Spider-Man 2 Pro Edition and Final Fantasy XVII. On the other side, the Xbox Series X II is leaning heavily on raw GPU power and deep AI integration, with smarter upscaling and dynamic frame rate balancing that gives Xbox games an edge in consistency, particularly for competitive shooters like Halo Infinite 2 and Call of Duty 2025. Storage-wise, both systems start at 2 TB, but Sony has kept its custom SSD advantage, making load times nearly instant, while Microsoft has worked on modular storage that makes expanding easier and cheaper. In terms of exclusive games, Sony still dominates with titles like God of War Ragnarok 2, Horizon Zero Dawn 3, and new VR integrations. Xbox, however, has Bethesda and Activision on its side now, meaning titles like Elder Scrolls 6, Starfield expansions, and of course the entire Call of Duty library have Game Pass perks that Sony just can't match. Speaking of Game Pass, that continues to be Xbox's killer feature. A subscription that gives you hundreds of games including day one AAA releases, while Sony's PlayStation Plus has improved but still lags behind in sheer value. Controller-wise, Sony's DualSense Pro gets new adaptive trigger improvements, haptic feedback upgrades, and even custom faceplates, while Xbox's new Elite Controller Series 3 offers insane customization, swappable parts, and pro-level comfort. So this one comes down to preference. When it comes to price, early leaks suggest the PS5 Pro will launch around $699 while the Xbox Series X II will sit closer to $649. So both are expensive, but Xbox may have a slight affordability advantage. So what's the verdict? Honestly, if you're a gamer who loves Sony exclusives, VR experiences, and instant load times, then the PS5 Pro is the way to go. But if you're looking for better value, stronger AI features, and that unbeatable Game Pass library, then the Xbox Series X the 2nd of May actually be the smarter buy in 2025. In the end, both consoles are amazing, but your choice comes down to the games and ecosystem you care about the most. So which one are you picking this year? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because this console war is just heating up.